top 10 weekend countdown.
Straight down one aisle, this section, the next section down, inside on the
I'll be right back. Yeah. Gonna fold those out of there.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Bad Billy. It's 11 o'clock, Saturday, June 11th. Just wanted to run through some ammo I picked up today. Went out and played some golf early this morning, and then headed out with my trusty keychain there, true ammo Mafia fashion, and picked up some stuff. Went to Gander Mountain first. Picked up 3 boxes of stingers. Was looking for the American Eagle 9mm, and it was cleaned out by the time I got there. They had stingers, velocitors, Chewdums, and 22 mag and 22 long. I elected for the 3 boxes of stingers. Tried the Duffy price match there off the Dick's receipt from the previous week. Got denied. The girl said that she wouldn't price match it because the receipt said competitor price match on it. So I left there and went to Dick's and got them to do it to the Gander receipt from the week before. So there's the tag for Dick's. I also like too how it says customer service instead of competitor price match like the old one did. I don't know what they changed there, but that works for me. I got a tag for the stingers at Gander. Picked up a couple of new shirts for my pops for Father's Day. Bought some beef jerky and a Coke Zero. Online order pickup at Gander also. 5 boxes of mini mags. You guys know the deal on those. $42.35 delivered. Tax. Perfecta 45, Walmart. That tag there for the Perfecta 45. Some dog food. Went to another Walmart, just checking to see what they had there. Picked up 2 boxes of shotgun shells. The Winchester Super Speeds were on rollback, and the AA Sporting Clay loads were on clearance in the clearance aisle. So those came in at $7.87, $5.99, and $5.45. I picked up a box of 12 or 20 gauge Super Speeds also for my dad. And then this evening I went to Bass Pro. Picked up a 10-pack of stingers. The limit on 22 at my Bass Pro is now 1,000 rounds a day. So that was pretty sweet. Those came in 70 cents cheaper than Gander at $7.29 a piece. So that's all I have to report. Going to head out tomorrow morning early again to play golf, and then head over to Field and Stream, see if I can complete my Triple G green tip challenge. You guys have a good night, and hopefully I will make another video and be back with you tomorrow. I'm out.
Might not ever be able to hit drives like Roy, but Peter Costa shares one fundamental of his that will help you drive the ball better.
Rory McIlroy's setup is wonderful with the driver.